14th session of 10th Manipur Legislative Assembly adjourned sine die. Chief Minister assures bill for indigenous people will be introduced soon. Assembly passes the Manipur Technical University Bill 2016, the Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2016 and the Manipur State Higher Education Council Bill 2016. BJP workers and JCRPS volunteers attempt to storm the assembly over cancellation of DPC of constable candidates and ILPS issue. On occasion of Teachers' Day, Chief Minister invites opinions from stakeholders for improving education system in the state. And Icham says Myanmar has claimed Tuivang village in Chandel district as part of their country ever since border pillar number 33 disappeared. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Evening News. I'm Tenshubam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. The 14th session of the 10th Manipur Legislative Assembly adjourned sine die. During the assembly session today, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh said his government is ready to table bill for the protection of indigenous people of the state, even it is not tabled in the ongoing assembly session. Replying to queries raised by opposition MLAs during the 0 hour, Chief Minister said the introduction of the new draft bill has been delayed following demand from JCRPS to put it in public domain for discussions and suggestions. Chief Minister once again reiterated that the government is firm in passing a bill acceptable to all the stakeholders. After the question hour, opposition MLA KS Joykishan raised if the imposition of Section 144 of CRPC around the assembly and declaring holiday in all schools and colleges on Teachers' Day tantamounts to insulting the first President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Opposition MLA I. Ibohalbi questioned whether government has taken steps in the death case of a student from Taupokpi who allegedly died due to harassment by the school authorities. I. Ibohalbi also questioned whether the government has prepared any policy for the private schools. Andhra MLA T.S. Shyamkumar appealed to the authority concerned to check the numbers of students before and after a teacher is transferred. During the session today, 3 bills related to education were passed unanimously by the House. After question hour and calling attention proceedings, Education Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar tabled 3 bills, namely the Manipur Technical University Bill 2016, the Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2016 and the Manipur State Higher Education Council Bill 2016 for passing by the House. Discussing the 3 bills, MLA Dr. I. Ibohalbi said whether Manipur Technical University, which is currently in session, has appointed Vice Chancellor and the Registrar. Education Minister Ratan Kumar informed the House that the post of Vice Chancellor is lying vacant. He also said Administrative Secretary is working as ex officio is running the affairs of the university. Regarding Dhanamanjuri University Bill, MLA Ibohalbi said the Dhanamanjuri University is a cluster of DM College of Science, Arts, Commerce, LMS Law College and GP Women's College and have excluded DM College of Teachers Education. He said there is no clear information regarding affiliation of other colleges and suggested discussion on the matter by a select committee. MLA L. Nandakumar also gave his opinion that Dhanamanjuri University Bill, being an important bill, needs thorough discussion for a week. Informing the House that the Dhanamanjuri University is established under RUSA, Education Minister Ratan Kumar said any college in the state can be affiliated with the university. Regarding the 3rd bill put up by Education Minister, the Manipur State Higher Education Council Bill 2016, MLA Dr. Ibohalbi questioned whether the autonomy of the council will be compromised, as the bill states that Education Minister will be the chairman of the executive member of the council. Replying to the query, Education Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar said the Manipur State Higher Education Council Bill 2016 is following Kerala model and the autonomy of the council will not be compromised. In today's session, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh moved the resolution to ratify amendment of the Constitution of India 122nd Amendment Bill 2014. The House also approved the ratification. After passing of the 3 bills and the resolution, Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar declared adjournment of the 14th session of the 10th Assembly session sine die. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh said the government has plans to provide employment to 194 players of the state who bagged medals in national as well as international levels. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh was replying to question raised by Langthabal Assembly Constituency MLA Karam Shyam during the question hour today. Later replying to a question raised by Andro Assembly Constituency MLA T.S. Shyamkumar, IFCD Minister Ngamthang Haokip assured that the Thoubal multi-purpose project will function by March next year and added that the government will try to provide drinking water to people living in the downstream area before the project is inaugurated. IFCD Minister also assured the House that the construction of retaining wall around Nambul River at Iroisimba and Lamboy Khongnangkhong will be completed at the earliest. He was responding to a question raised up by Uripok Assembly Constituency MLA L. Nandakumar. Andro MLA T.S. Shyamkumar raised question whether the government will recruit teachers on contractual or permanent basis to solve the shortage of teachers in the state. In reply, Education Minister Ratan Kumar said the matter will be discussed during cabinet meeting. Opposition MLA Laisom Ibomcha moved calling attention on the discrepancies in the implementation of the National Food Security Act. In reply, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Khetrimayum Biren said the delay in distribution of ration cards of National Food Security Act to the beneficiaries is due to staff shortage. Minister Biren informed the House that rice bags are already stored at Godown and appealed to the MLAs to help in fair price shop agents to take the rice bags on time. Minister Biren said he will look into the matter of staff shortage and whether staff from other departments can be utilized. MLA T.H. Bishojit moved the calling attention on the cancellation of DPC of 2013 constable candidates. In reply, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam, who also holds the home portfolio, said the DPC was cancelled following an inquiry. Gaikangam said an interim order of Manipur High Court ordered the state government that the result cannot be announced without its permission, and on the other hand, some candidates demanded inquiry in the recruitment process. The inquiry report stated many discrepancies which resulted in the cancellation of the DPC. Thamiband Assembly Constituency MLA K.S. Joykishan clarified the reason for walking out from the House. Speaking to media at BJP office at Nitapauchitek, MLA Joykishan said Thongju MLA T.H. Bishojit moved calling attention regarding the recruitment of Manipur Police Constable. Before the concerned minister gave his reply to the floor of the House, he sought the permission from the Speaker to put his question as supplementary question. The Speaker denied to give permission. The Speaker, however, gave his permission to take questions raised by Oinam MLA I. Ibo Halbi as supplementary question to a calling attention move by Kaisamthong MLA Laisom Ibomcha. Thamiband MLA K. Joykishan said he walked out from the floor of the House protesting the biasness of the Speaker. He also asked the Speaker to provide live coverage of the whole session.
Speaker Suwaramamani Kangiba Sri Hemochandrana Tauriba Thaudongsi Laibaki Santi Puroknaba Hotnabani Khandadana BJP Netrokpa Thawongsi political milias Lauderba Tabakni Hibas Yam Aranba Tabakni Aduni Speaker na expense to whether Tabakti Nasi Hemochandrana political milias Laweba watch expense to one. How city Akima City Magi Apamba Puntopi rightly. The Sugumba Port Mayama media the Pondokan winner directive Pibese Masimaksu Yam Soba Aranba money. Lana Toliba Akoyi Neum kind of Toliba DPC Anobo order of Segai Babese Aranba order name Segai Benimatudi. Aranba order Masakars in Tohon Babese Madu I Segai Matampunimuk rightly.
Thamiband Assembly Constituency MLA Kumokcham Joykishan also condemned the government for declaring holiday today in all schools and colleges on the occasion of Teachers' Day today. He also said for the first time curfew has been imposed around Assembly campus during Assembly session. He also said it is wrong to appoint Dr. Okram Ibomcha as National Rural Health Mission Director. The qualification for the post of National Rural Health Mission Director is Special Secretary or Additional Secretary IAS.
National Rural Health Mission was in NICMNA, National Health Mission Kangnariba. Asigi Mission Director say Shri Okram Ibomcha Indian government amasung Manipur government gi Memorandum of Understanding gi Para 5.7.1 da yauriba madugi wang mada hojik pawa haptuna thambase gleiba government sin nepotism chathai habese pumseng sengle ngasi house ta ehakna hangmada medical mantri na criteria sude habese mahakna haigi basimangna madu aranba thabak toy habese takle.
All the roads leading to the Manipur Legislative Assembly were blocked today by authorities using barbed wires during curfew hours within 1 kilometer radius of the assembly complex. It may be mentioned that Imphal West Deputy Commissioner Ningthaujam Jeffrey last night issued an order for imposition of subsection 2 of section 144 of CRPC within the 1 kilometer radius of the assembly complex starting from last midnight and ending at 5 in the evening today. A large number of BJP workers tried to storm during the assembly session in the morning, defying curfew. The BJP workers were stopped by security personnel at Khuyathong traffic point. Tear gas shells were used to disperse the crowd. BJP members were protesting over the state government's cancellation of DPC for 2013 police constable candidates. 5 BJP workers were injured and they were rushed to RIMS. A BJP worker identified as Ahanthem Rami from Wango Sabal received injury below his eye during the firing of the tear gas. Rami, including 4 others, were discharged from RIMS after treatment. On the other hand, JCILPS students' wing took out agitation at Muji Khunlairak Thamibban. Police fired mock bombs and tear gas shells when the agitating students tried to march towards the assembly. The tussle continued for 10 minutes and there were heavy clash between the protesters and the police. A large number of JCILPS volunteers also marched along the Tidim Road with an intention to storm the assembly. The JCILPS volunteers stopped by a large number of police at Kaisampat Junction. Opposition party Bharatiya Janata Party today took out protest rallies and stage sit-ins at various locations of Greater Imphal against the cancellation of DPC for 2013 constable candidates. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Lamlai Mandal took out a rally from Chairenthong. Placards like BJP wants justice, Chief Minister and Home Minister should resign and DPC cannot be reconducted were displayed. The rallies were stopped by Manipur police personnel at Ima Laikurembi. Similar rally were carried out by BJYM members along Dinku Road, but they were stopped at Lamlong Bridge. Later, the protesters held a sit-in at Lamlong Market. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Okram Ibobising today sought suggestions from all stakeholders of the society to improve education system in Manipur on the occasion of Teachers' Day today. Chief Minister Okram Ibobising was speaking at the Teachers' Day celebration held at state level at Manipur Film Development Corporation Palace Compound. The function was jointly organized by State Education Department, Higher and Technical Education, Adult Education, State Council for Educational Research and Training and Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation. 10 teachers were honored with State Teachers Award 2016. Appointment letters were handed over to 31 aided school graduate teachers, 98 primary teachers, 4 LDC and 1 Chowkidar at the function. Chief Minister Okram Ibobising further added that the state government is trying to improve human resource and produce good students. Chief Minister raised concern over the declining number of students in the government schools. He said even though we have good teachers, yet the school are unable to attract the students at the government schools. Chief Minister also appealed to teachers to be more attentive and to be more sincere towards their work to improve education system in the state.
Government Chief Minister na government ki full fledged oja oirabani adon man ai lokthokpa ngamgadang tena kaning kanda ka ba angang la ibra su yengdaba amasu tawdaba larik tak to ai tolo phangadumni adar mana ibu transfer lauthokudi line transfer hong amaroina mayam si adum da dum aina haisi negative ngata ai haise bai wana chitiko koi sai now singsi hayengi afaba nagari amamoina na ba aduga muisi afaba matik saba nagari amamam ba matik saba well qualified oi ba sai su ngata wergadi koi somase ingba tapa aduguma sakotwa samajama oigani.
Attending the function, Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam appreciated teachers who are selflessly imparting good education to the students of the state. Deputy Chief Minister appealed to the teachers to give lessons to the students not only from the books but also share their wisdom and knowledge.
Aku prinsip, aku education, moral and spiritual values wala padagira. Saya kata hal hari memang teaching, amadi education system sendiri based on moral and spiritual values based on kan tapi tipiram daun tawi. Adu musika naruan seng, ayundi haulaga satra satri uriba naruan aku pernah asa kariga train se change taruh se. Apa bagi train nata bata? Kita nathai na beli train type tak sangat besar masih koi. Hampa pemucangi.
Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said the government has taken up steps to improve education system in the state. Minister Ratan Kumar said primary and upper primary teachers have been appointed under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. 11 residential schools for girls have been constructed under the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, while 9 residential schools are being constructed at 9 districts. Many junior schools have been upgraded to high schools and the process of streamlining of teachers have begun. Education Minister also informed that under Ramsa, residential staff quarters are being constructed and trained teachers have been selected on merit basis.
Dhanamanjuri University Bill is being introduced to set up a cluster university comprising of Dhanamanjuri College of Science, DM College of Arts, DM College of Commerce, LMS Law College and GP Women's College, which occupy common adjoining or neighboring physical spaces under the RUSA scheme. Career Advancement Scheme of Government College Teachers is also in the final stage. In order to promote technical education in the state, Manipur Technical University was established under an ordinance and the academic session 2016-17 has been already started in the temporary campus of State Academy of Training.
Teachers' Day celebration was also held at Sainik School in Pangai. Students of the school honored the teachers of the school on the occasion. JNIMS Director Professor Lasham Deven said the allegations by some parties with vested interest that he has increased the expenditure of the hospital by procuring a Konica Minolta dry laser imager for the radiology department is baseless. Speaking at a press meet at his office in JNIMS today, Professor Deven further said earlier, when the department was using Fuji films, the expenditure stood at 86,68,000 annually. He said in case the new printer of Konica is used, then the expenditure will come down to 43,11,000 annually. He said the new printer has been sought from authorized dealer and it is being used at all reputed hospitals in the state. He alleged that some people with vested interests are trying to malign the image of JNIMS.
Konica Minolta printer haidana amalai masi leibagi maramdi hana masaida koi JNIMS leiba radio diagnosis department da Fuji film se sikakno ne sinaba aduna Fuji film si leitaba matamdadi koi hostal lepa yadaba aduna maram oirakanda aikoina masi backup oina habidi Fuji film si leitaba matamda Konica Minolta haiba kanu mayam si film si kapa yana bhaidana sigi printer leijerubani aruga masigi mamanju lupa lakh aniga lising trang khaktani aduna masida koina paisa hena chalali haiba kholiba mayam singa se yumham yawdo wafamni.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union in a press note informs that the ban on coverage of news regarding RIMS has been lifted following an understanding with the RIMS authority. Maitai Irol Iek Loina Silon Apunbalav will felicitate candidates who passed the supplementary TET examination for Maitai May conducted by the state education. 14 persons belonging to General, Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe, Handicap and OBC category will be felicitated on 14 September at Manipur Press Club, Major Khul. Addressing media persons, Bilal President Hoirangthem Naukhumba appreciated state government for promoting Maitai Mayek.
Council Sinba Manbugomic Order Makada Siliba, supplementary tet asibu lan Wanabi Wahay Wata, Pauset Hapasimak Yam Labak Tibani, Maramdi, High Riba, Pangtok Riba, exam ado NCTE Kanglon Kaidana, award for subjecting Maths, English Amaji, EBS Pangtok Pani, High Riba Asisu, Lishing and Taram Deda, notification Tokibagi, Adugi and Namaka Satrapona, State Asigi, subject Amoina Lergadoroba, Mite make Kaki Mo over Lak Pasina Maram Orga, State Asina Akanaba Tora Amagalona, one task measure that special exam Ase Pangtoki Asida, Lan Unbasimok Yamna Lebek Tibani.
Chaos erupted at Hodam Lairak under Kaisamthong Assembly constituency today after the fair price shop agent told the beneficiaries of National Food Security Act that rice will be distributed for 1 month only. The situation was controlled after the agent told beneficiaries that rice for other months will be distributed in consultation with the concerned MLA. 3 agents distribution rice for the month of August to the beneficiaries at Hodam Lairak Club. The beneficiaries were demanding rice for the months of February, March, May, June, July and August. On the other hand, the beneficiaries requested the agents to give prior information before rice distribution. Personality and Talent Development Organization is organizing Kanglei Mega Talent Competition next month. Addressing media persons, organization publicity secretary Moirangthem Purnachandra said the competition aims to highlight the hidden talents of the youths. The online audition will be held from 16 September till 25th September, for which the contestants can log on to website www.thaupangluk.com. The selected 20 participants from online will compete in the pre-finals on 29 September at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre. The final will be held in October. The winner will be awarded cash award of 2 lakh rupees.
Ako'y Kanglei Mega Talent asi sendalambi damakta sinjaba nasadi talent show asina lotron laiba kanagumba magi talent sing adubu uthok na bagi tanja du ako'y talent show asina pijari talent show asida makal telgi hirama mahtada talent laiba miu ko magna saruk yabe yabigani adugo talent adubu ako'y lewak miyam da uthok bagi tanja du talent show asina ako'y pijari amasung talent laiba mipung ko magbu ikai khumna bagi tanja du ako'y talent show asina pijari.
Rashtriya Swayamsevak Manipur Unit felicitated elders at Thambalkhong Sabal Laikai Community Hall, Imphal East. The felicitation was held in memory of founders of the RSS Manipur Unit, late Dr. Keshav Baliram and Mandop Rao. Archdiocese Imphal and Mother Teresa Sisters Imphal jointly organized a Thanksgiving celebration on the canonization of Mother Teresa as saint at Retreat House, Mantripukri. Archbishop Dominic Lumon Didi observed a Holy Eucharistic celebration at a function. Speaking at the function, Sister Pushpa MC of Mother Teresa Sisters Imphal said, Mother Teresa has been canonized as saint because of her good deeds. Students of different mission schools performed at the function.
Yesterday in Rome, that is 4th September 2016, Mother was canonized a saint. A saint is a holy person who has done good in this world, who has led a life of prayer and sacrifice and has served others. And that is why the church has considered that such a person is with God in heaven and she is a saint. A saint is a holy person.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Lengson Birau, Thangmaiban GM College Road Telaiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani. Loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari. Ngasi maglengson Birau, Eastern Suzuki, Thangmaiban GM College Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News. Myanmar has reportedly claimed Tuivang village under Kengzoi block in Chandel district as part of the country ever since the border pillar number 33 disappeared due to the negligence of the Manipur government and government of India. Speaking at a press meet held at Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur office at Lamlong Thongkhong today, the vice chairman of Yaung Lane village, a neighboring village of Tuivang, Yam Khothang Haokip said, The border pillar number 33, which was later known as border pillar number 66, was extracted by the Myanmar government in the year 1973 and it was never reinstalled, following which the villagers had fled from their homes due to threat from the Myanmar army. Hawkip further said people from the neighboring country occupied the land on the Indian side and started agriculture work. Ichom appealed to the Manipur government and the Indian government to look into this matter at the earliest. He also added that they will also submit a memorandum to the Ministry of Home Affairs through the governor soon.
Tuiwang haiba mafom asi hanna Burma singna ekhogi lamni haina haibadu adugi numit tagi masi India gi lamni haina ekhoina confirm tawre maramduna tuiwang da khun tariba mi sing adusu hojikti India gi lam oibagi maramna makoi du Burma gi lam da hongdokre hojik tuiwang gi mafom khun adu hangduna leire boldal aduwaida leiriba khun manga torok asi madugi boldal du singdabagi maramna ekhoi sijam wana Burma singna ngasi phawba ase ekhoi gi lamne haina haiba seda ekhoina jamna nungai taba thoe.
Two active cadres of KCP Noyon faction were arrested this morning from Sangai Hotel in More town during search operation conducted by joint team of More police station led by additional SP and personnel of 11 Assam Rifles. Impact News sources say the arrested persons have been identified as Muhammad Shafiqur Rahman, age 25, son of Muhammad Azizur Rahman from More Ward number 5, and Muhammad Ramezuddin, age 28, son of late Muhammad Basiruddin from Sora, Karachi. 2 mobile phone, handsets and 2 SIM cards were seized from the possession. The arrested persons have been handed over to More police station. Locals of Kwatha last night recovered an IED bomb weighing around 2 kg in the area lying between Kwatha Kunjao and Kwatha Kuno, 7 kilometers from National Highway 102. Bomb experts from Imphal today rushed to the spot to defuse the bomb. The bomb was defused with the help of teams of More Police and 12 Assam Rifles stationed at Kwatha firing range at around 3:30 p.m. National Highway 102, also known as Imphal More Road, is in deplorable condition. There are many potholes along the stretch of Lokchau and Kongkhangkhul. Drivers of vehicles plying along More said the road has not been repaired, even though Works Minister is sure to repair the road and appealed to the concerned authorities to repair at the earliest. Now some sports news. All Thammaban Veterans Football Association felicitated Pokhrambam Shushila, who represented India in the Rio Olympic Games as the team captain of Indian women hockey at Gurukul Government Junior High School, Thammaban Hijam Dewan Lekai today. DM College of Commerce Principal Dr. P.H. Ibomcha, All Thammaban Veterans Football Association President N.G. Brajakumar and members of the association attended the function. Manipur Rifles Association in a press note lauded the Manipur shooting team for winning the overall team champion in the 4th Northeast Zone Shooting Championship 2016 by bagging 16 gold medals. The championship was held from 3rd August till the 3rd of September at Dimapur, Nagaland. The players of Kainau Library and Sports Association Klasa held prayer meeting during an event held at Kainau Thongkhong under Bishnupur district ahead of the Manipur State League. Sport gears and accessories were also distributed during the event. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of the association said they are quite positive about the performance in the State League with the addition of 2 international players, South Africa's James Perry and Nigeria's James Princess Ugwa. He further assured that the team would do their best to get qualified for the I-League. NC Club Khongampad and Sai RC Takel won its respective league match in the 23rd L. Sangeeta Devi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the first league match played today, NCC Khongampad Trans Group Center CRPF Langjing by 6 goals to 1. In the second league match of the tournament, Sai RC Takel defeated Yai School Athletic Club by 6-1. The Kanglai Bodybuilding Gym, Tera Sapam Nayak, also celebrated Teachers' Day today. The members of the gym presented gifts to Manipur Bodybuilding Association's Vice President R.K. Harshyam, Association's Advisor L. Gauramani and A.K. Ibotombi, Imphal West District Bodybuilding Association Secretary S. Dhurba, Gym's trainer S. Joy and many other trainers from different gyms of the city as part of the celebration. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. 14th session of 10th Manipur Legislative Assembly adjourns sine die. Chief Minister assures Bill for Indigenous People will be introduced soon. Assembly passes the Manipur Technical University Bill 2016, the Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2016 and the Manipur State Higher Education Council Bill 2016. BJP workers and JCRPS volunteers attempt to storm the assembly over cancellation of DPC of constable candidates and ILPS issue. On occasion of Teachers' Day, Chief Minister invites opinions from stakeholders for improving the education system in the state. And Icham says Myanmar has claimed Tuivang village in Chandin district as part of their country ever since border pillar number 33 disappeared.